Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting my argumentative research paper titled Transparency in Influencer Marketing. Should social media influencers in the Philippines be required to disclose sponsored content? Nowadays, people no longer rely only on traditional advertisements when deciding what to buy. Instead, many turn to social media influencers because their content feels more personal, relatable, and authentic. Because of this, their recommendations often seem more trustworthy than regular ads. However, this also raises an important question. Are these recommendations always genuine? In many cases, what appears to be a personal opinion is actually a paid promotion that is not clearly disclosed. Because of this, my paper argues that even if disclosure may reduce the authenticity of influencer content, social media influencers in the Philippines should still be required to disclose sponsored content because it prevents misleading advertising, promotes transparency and trust, and strengthens consumer protection. In the Philippines, influencer marketing has become very common, especially on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Influencers often promote products in a way that looks like part of their everyday life, such as vlogs, routines, or casual posts. The problem is that many of these posts are actually paid promotions, but they are not clearly labeled. Because of this, consumers may interpret these promotions as honest recommendations instead of advertisements. This creates confusion and raises concerns about misleading content, lack of transparency, and weak consumer protection in the digital space. To address this issue, my paper presents three main arguments. First, disclosure prevents misleading advertising. Second, it promotes transparency and strengthens trust. And third, it improves consumer protection in digital marketing. I will also discuss a counter argument, which is that the disclosure may reduce authenticity, and explain why this concern does not outweigh the need for transparency. The first reason why disclosure is important is that it helps prevent misleading advertising. When influencers do not disclose that the post is sponsored, it becomes difficult for consumers to tell whether the content is an advertisement or a genuine opinion. Research shows that people often fail to recognize influencer posts as ads when there is no disclosure, which makes the content more persuasive. In the Philippines, consumers tend to trust influencers because they appear relatable and real, and many people rely on their recommendations when making purchasing decisions. This means that when sponsorships are hidden, consumers may be influenced without even realizing it. Because of this, disclosure is necessary since it helps consumers clearly understand when they are being advertised to, allowing them to make more informed decisions. The second reason is that disclosure promotes transparency and strengthens consumer trust. When influencers clearly label sponsored content, it creates a more open and honest relationship with their audience. When people know that a post is sponsored, they become more aware that they are being marketed to and can evaluate the content more critically. Studies also show that consumers value transparencies when interacting with brands and influencers. Transparency also helps build long-term trust. Trust plays a major role in whether consumers decide to buy a product, and once trust is broken, it is difficult to regain. This means that being transparent does not weaken trust. In fact, it helps maintain credibility over time. The third reason is that disclosure strengthens consumer protection in digital marketing. In the Philippines, the Department of Trade and Industry already emphasizes that advertising should not be misleading. But influencer marketing is not always clearly regulated. In other countries, influencers are already required to disclose paid promotions showing that influencer marketing is recognized as a form of advertising that should follow rules. This is especially important because social media use in the Philippines is very high, meaning many people are exposed to influencer content daily. Influencer marketing often blurs the line between advertisements and personal content, which increases the risk of manipulation. Because of this, stronger regulations such as mandatory disclosure are needed to protect consumers. On the other hand, some argue that requiring influencers to disclose sponsored content may reduce the authenticity of their posts. Influencers are popular because they seem relatable and genuine, so adding labels like sponsored may make their content feel more like traditional advertisements rather than personal recommendation. Because of this, some believe that disclosure can affect how audiences perceive influencers and may reduce engagement. However, it's an important point, which is that authenticity should not come at the expense of honesty. Even if disclosure changes how content looks or feels, it ensures that consumers are aware of the commercial intent behind it. Without disclosure, consumers can easily be misled. In fact, being transparent can strengthen credibility in the long run because it shows honesty and accountability. This means that while disclosure may slightly affect how natural content appears, it is still necessary because it protects consumers and promotes ethical marketing practices. In conclusion, influencer marketing continues to play a major role in shaping consumer behavior in the Philippines. However, the lack of disclosure in sponsored content creates risks of misleading advertising, reduced transparency, and weak consumer protection. Although some believe that disclosure reduces authenticity, the benefits clearly outweigh this concern. Requiring influencers to disclose sponsored content helps prevent misleading advertising, promotes transparency and trust, and strengthens consumer protection. As social media continues to grow, it is important to implement clear guidelines so that influencer marketing becomes more honest and responsible. By doing so, we can create a more trustworthy digital environment for consumers. Thank you.